Hi, my name is Kala Anand. Many of you might already know me by now through various courses in the Business Analytics program. I am towards the end of the course and look forward to working on the capstone project. My undergraduate degree is in accounting from India. I moved to United States about 19 years ago, and ever since I have been in the finance area. I wanted to make a switch in my career to get into the world of analytics, and I decided to join the master's program at Quinnipiac. I recently started a new role as a financial analyst at a company called HomeServe. HomeServe offers insurance coverage for home repair services for products like plumbing, electrical, heating and cooling, etc. As a financial analyst, my role is to forecast and budget for some of key metrics like customer growth, policies, net income per customer, etc. I also prepare weekly pulse metrics and early warning reports to track the progress in new policies and the net income generation from new and renewed policies. My new job is going good so far, but it's still been a learning curve for me. I look forward to leverage my knowledge from the band program in my new career. I look forward to working with you all in this course, and thank you for watching my video. See you online.